ready for departure. Please be seated and fasten your seatbelt. Please turn into flight mode all mobile phones and electronic devices. If this feature is not available on your device, please turn it off for the entire flight.
Usually I'm cold frozen, but I surrender to your game, boy. Loving ain't gon' change now.
My journey starts from my hometown at Mangalore to Jaipur, a city in the northwest of India. On arrival at noon and check-in at the hotel, we rushed to visit some of the smaller known places on day one to save time. And our first stop is Kaltaji. Kaltaji is an ancient Hindu pilgrimage about 10 kilometers away from Jaipur city. The site consists of a series of temples built into narrow crevice. A natural spring emerges high on the hill and flows downward, filling a series of sacred kunds or water tanks in which pilgrims bathe. Visitors and pilgrims can ascend the crevasse, continuing past the highest water pool to a hilltop sun temple. The temple complex of Sitaram is known as the Monkey Temple due to the large number of monkeys living around in this area. Next, on the way back to the city, we visited Sisodiya Rani Ka Bagh, built in the 7th century. We were late and couldn't enter this place, but from outside, the place had some beautiful wall paintings of typical authentic Rajasthani style. A double-storied palace occupies the top terrace of the garden. The palace has many galleries, pavilions and beautiful murals depicting scenes from the life of Lord Krishna. Next, we go to the other side of Jaipur to visit the Akshardham temple, one of the well-known tourist attractions of Jaipur. The temple is known for its beautiful architecture, magnificent idols, sculptures and carvings, and is dedicated to Hindu god Narayana. Akshardham temple provides a real glimpse of the Indian architecture, cultural heritage and sculptures of Hindu gods to the visitors. It was dark and we decided to cover one last place for today, and that was a place which was completely built using white marble, and the place is the famous Birla Mandir. There are 4 distinct parts of the temple: its sanctum, tower, main hall and the entrance. It has 3 towers referring to the main faiths of India, as well as stained glass windows depicting traditional Hindu stories. So that was day 1 of my Jaipur trip, and hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned as I will be covering more places in the coming days. So consider subscribing to my channel and click on the notification bell for more travel stories. Cheers.